Well, hello there, YouTube. Out on the Goldwing today. I got my work done. I'll come back and do some more, but it's done for now. But there's always stuff coming in, so I thought I would enjoy a beautiful day. I'm overdressed with the long sleeve shirt and kind of sweatpants. It's actually really warm. Just got the bike out of the garage, so it hasn't acclimated, but it's got to be upper 70s or 80. I got the air compressor out, and I was driving my car last night, and I noticed it had a sensor come on that I had a flat tire. I'm thinking, I don't remember these tires being flat, so I went and checked them all today. They're all a little bit low. Every one of them was 26.5 instead of 32, but they certainly weren't flat, so I might have a sensor going bad. So I got the air compressor out, drug them out to the cars, did my wife's, did mine. I did this. Believe it or not, this front tire I usually run 40, it was like 21. The back ones I usually run 26 and it was like 21. So I aired them up to normal. Even the Spider, the rear wheel I do usually run 26, it was like 20. So I don't want to ride it too low, wear that tread out. And then the fronts I put it, I think 20 or 21. I like them a little more air. It doesn't wander as much. So anyway, I got all my tires aired up. Gonna be so much easier. I'll have it when we get moved in my shop. It'll be so much easier because I won't have to drag around cords, and I'll have all my own cords out there, and I have them in the shed now, so it'll be much easier. Gonna go up Friday. We got all concrete now, all the driveway, circle drive all the way out, the other one's all the way out to the street, so it's looking good. Got cabinets, they're doing trim and crown molding, so it's looking really good. We're going to go up Friday. My wife wants to go. I could go up Tuesday on this, but I kind of want to wait for her because I know she wants to go instead of doing FaceTimes. So Super Clean, these people are fantastic. They want me to do another giveaway. Bill Williams won the first giveaway, and I sent in his name and address, and they should be shipping him some products if he hasn't already gotten them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the oil, I think, in my wife's car pretty soon, and I drive it up on ramps in the driveway, and I do it that way. But I'm going to spill some oil accidentally, or I usually do anyway, but I'm going to spill some oil, and I'm going to show you how good this degreaser stuff is. It is fantastic. So I'm going to do the degreaser. I wish they'd give away some of that wheel cleaner too, man. It did fantastic. If you looked at my Spider when I sprayed it on the dirty, filthy Spider rear wheel, it was fantastic. So I wish they'd give that away too, like the degreaser and the wheel cleaner. Get a new sprayer on that wheel cleaner, because you can't, if I did it on the front wheels of the Spider and I couldn't get all the nooks and crannies, so I showed the video and it still looked a little dirty, but it was clean where I had the spray on it. So they need a new sprayer that wide, or you can change the sprayer and make one wide, so I'll probably end up doing that. But all of these products are fantastic, and it's super clean on or super safe on plastics. It works great, so I'm really excited that they're going to do another giveaway, and I'll do that video pretty soon, I hope. I'll change my wife's oil. I think she's like at 20%, but I usually let the SRX kind of tell us when to change it. I'm not going to do that anymore, because I'll change it every 4,000. I don't know if it's going to go above 4,000 or what, but I don't like to do that. So I'll do another giveaway on that video. I'll show you how it works. I'll spill oil on my driveway, degreaser, hose it off. Perfect. So that's going to be exciting. Bye.